In the heart of a serene countryside, an unusual friendship blossomed between a lively hen named Henrietta and a spirited dog named Max. Henrietta, known for her jovial clucks and prized eggs, and Max, a border collie admired for his intelligence and loyalty, formed a bond that was as unexpected as it was endearing. As the sun painted the morning sky with hues of gold, Henrietta would greet the day with her cheerful clucks, and Max would echo her greeting with his joyful bounds across the dewy fields. Their friendship was a delightful sight to behold, a testament to the harmony that can exist between two beings of different species. A breezy spring morning brought with it an unwelcome visitor, a sly fox with a keen eye for Henrietta's eggs. The fox, infamous for his mischief, was a threat to the peaceful existence of the farm. But Henrietta, with her sharp eyes, spotted the danger and alerted Max with her squawks of alarm. Max, ever the loyal protector, sprang into action, his barks resonating through the fields. He darted towards the coop, his fur bristling, his eyes focused on the fox. His swift and clever maneuvers successfully drove the fox away, safeguarding Henrietta and her precious eggs. Henrietta, relieved and grateful, thanked Max with heartfelt clucks. Max simply wagged his tail, expressing his joy at being able to help. Their bond grew stronger, their interactions more frequent. They became a symbol of unity and camaraderie, strolling around the farm together, sharing moments of joy and tranquility. The story of Henrietta and Max spread across the countryside, a tale of an unusual friendship, a tale of unity and strength. It serves as a reminder that friendships can form in the most unexpected places, between the most unlikely of characters. It teaches us that unity is strength and that with loyalty and determination, we can overcome any obstacle that comes our way. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, Henrietta and Max can often be seen side by side, enjoying the tranquility of the evening, a testimony to their remarkable friendship, a symbol of unity and strength. And so they continue to live their tale, a beacon of friendship and unity in the heart of the peaceful countryside.